Hello, welcome guys. Welcome to Castration Technology. We are seeing this 3D wall on this video now. Okay, it's actually amazing. It looks so fine. So in this video, we are going to learn how we can construct this 3D amazing walls. You understand? Using a simple construction techniques, a simple skills. Okay, so watch and have fun. If you have any question on how to do this, or you want a practical training on that, you can also contact us at Gas Social Technology. Thank you very much, and let's have fun, guys. Okay, so the first thing you need to construct, like, mix your sand and cement. Okay, make sure that your sand is well filtered. Okay, let it be smooth as possible. Okay, because we need a smooth surface to actually achieve this 3D wall. Okay, so after your mixture, you do your normal process of plastering. Okay, you plaster the wall, and then you now use your mixture. Okay, the smooth mixture that you just mix. Okay, you now apply it to the surface again. Okay, as you can see, apply to the surface. Okay, and then you have this additional mixture again with just a cement and water. Okay, it's just a cement and water, and then you rub it on the surface again, because as you can see, it has to be smooth as much as you can. If you are using a screening cement, you can also achieve that. You understand? Because you can achieve that smoothness on that particular surface also. Okay. All right. So this is sand and cement. Okay. Okay. So as you can see it now. The normal plastering skill, that is what you use at this level. Okay, so if you know how to plaster, to just use your skill. If you don't know how to plaster and you want to learn professional way on how to plaster, you can contact us at Construction. So I'm trying to achieve a perfect smooth surface. So try to achieve that. That is the reason why you need to put that into consideration from the beginning, to make sure that your sand is well filtered. Okay, so that you can achieve this smooth surface. So the wall is becoming so smooth, as you can see, and becoming so interesting. Okay. All right. So now we are going to use a construction skills here now, based on the fact you, as a construction practitioners, you actually do technical drawing, right? So we are about to inscribe a polygon, okay, in a cycle. This is how we construct a polygon in a cycle. You understand? So depend on the size of the polygon you're constructing. In our last video of AutoCAD, for some of our videos that we train on AutoCAD for technical drawing, you see how we inscribe, possibly circumscribe polygon, okay, recycle. Okay, so you follow these skills and then get this 3D box, draw it in a carton. Okay, if you want to know how you can draw it, you can also contact us at CAD Studio Technology. We can give you that skill. Just a few hour training for you to achieve this 3D surface. Now I'm trying to bring this closer to you so that you can achieve, an aesthetic surface with, with less cost actually. Okay, so you can see you create this your 3D box in a cycle. Okay, this is just a technical drawing skill. Okay, so you erase the construction line because we don't need that. Now the point that you are putting, also you need to measure it so that you have a high level of accuracy. You understand? Okay, so you clean the excess line again. Okay, so after that, you use a very sharp object, okay, to cut the carton along your 3D drawing. Where you can see, try as much as you could to plumb the first one. The first one is plumb, and then you are using the previous ones. You take alignment from the first one, discover that it's going to be perfectly straight. Okay, so you draw it, you see it, okay, and then the second one you don't need to plumb it again because you take alignment from the horizontal line of the first one. Okay, so as you can see, okay, so you see, just watch, you see the amazing 3D finishing. Okay. So as you can see, turn it to 3D now to get that your shape back, and then this will now give you the other side because you are taking alignment already from the previous shape you have. Okay, hope you guys are having fun with this, and please, if you understand your next project, try and practice and then see how you can be able to implement it, because it actually look good. You can see the finishes at the end of this video. It actually look good. So you concentrate, and if you have any question, any comment, you can leave it in the comment section. Okay, if there's any suggestion you see that the way that we could do it more better, to look more aesthetic than this, or another approach, because this is technical drawing, right? So you see that you can use another shape to actually achieve this. Okay, so if you need a particular shape that you want, and then you want to construct such 3D in your wall, you can also contact us, and then we can produce a video for you on how you can achieve that as well. At CAD Studio Technology, You can check us in any of our social media page, our LinkedIn page, Facebook page, Instagram page, Twitter, and also our website www.carstructure.tech. Okay, you can contact us and get more skills. You can also contact us if you want to learn how you can use computer design to actually achieve this 3D by doing these drawings instead of doing it manually. So as you can see, the shape is coming out right. Leave your comment on our comment section. What do you think about this skill at CAD Structure Technology? Personally, I actually like this. That's why I decided to produce this video today, because it is amazing. Actually, it's amazing skill. Definitely, if you see this in maybe a particular wall, you think that it is one machines actually that you use to do that, but you can see now it's a simple skills that we just need to achieve this, right? Okay. As you can see, it's reaching the end of the wall now. You see the finishing, the wall finish will be nice. So just patiently and carefully watch the video. Yeah, I actually love this, serious. It's actually an amazing skill. So you can see the finishes, right? You understand? You can use your phone or whatever you use for your cleaning or finishes cleaning and clean it well. Can allow you to drive some certain minute or some certain time before you do this cleaning, so that there will be no mess up. Okay, so as you can see, so the richness of your mixture as well will determine how strong it will be, and then the color as well. Okay, so as you can see, the coloring actually looks so nice. You can also, if you want it to look differently in the different colors, you can also spray it. If you want to spend more on it, you can spray it. Okay, you can just use a particular color and then spray it. You understand? The 3D will still be there. Okay, thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe if you have not subscribed to our channel, so that you see more videos when we drop our next videos. Thank you very much. Bye bye.